Ako. Nay, happy anniversary nga pala sa inyo ni Tatay. Thank you sa lahat dahil andito kami lahat dahil sa inyo at saka hanga ako sa samahan nyo even na medyo alam nyo naman pasaway si Tatay pero napagtiisan mo dahil alam ko yung pagmamahalan nyo. Sabi nga, buo, heart. Mario. Say.
Happy anniversary, Nanay Tatay. God bless you both. May you have many more years of happiness.
Hello, Nay and Tay. Happy 50th golden anniversary. And siguro, pinakita nyo sa amin ni Eric kung gaano katatag yung pagmamahalan nyo. And then, thank you sa lahat ng tulong. And we all love you. Oh, sabihin mo ba? More years to come. And Ethan is waiting for both of you here. Oh, wait nga.
You shake it, Nanay.
Oh,
Shake it.
Box in.
You box Tatay. Oh, Phyllis and...
Phyllis, ikaw na.
We love you. Sabihin mo lang. We love you.
Happy anniversary, Nanay, Tatay. Yun lang.
Happy anniversary.
Oh, meron nga pala kaming kanta sa inyo. Pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Walang practice. Love you both. I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you. And so I beg you. Let it be me. Don't take this heaven from one. If you must cling to someone, now and forever, let it be me. Aray ko. Each time we meet, love, I find complete love. Without your sweet love, what will I be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always